Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to use IEEExplore, which is a database that focuses mainly on the publications related to technology issues through the IEEE publications and conferences. So to access this database, I'm on the library's homepage, libraries.psu.edu, and I'm going to select the Databases tab and I for IEEE. So it's about in the top third of my screen. This database and the database INFSY have a little bit of a crossover in terms of the publication, so you may notice that if you're using both. But this is a good tool if you're doing a project that deals with a lot of technical concepts. This would be a good place to look for literature. I'm going to start with the basic search. The advanced search function here is a little bit technical for the basic needs. If you do find that you need to get a little bit more specific, I can work with you individually on that. Just send me an email. But we can just enter our search terms here in the search box on the main page. So IEEE has a number of different types of publications, including conference proceedings and journals. So look through the results that you get back. You can filter down just to journals and magazines. Some of the conference publications have been peer reviewed, so take a look at them and see what you think. And if you're not sure if something would be acceptable, you can send it to me or to Dr. Lee and we can take a look at it and let you know. So I'm going to take a look at this first one. So it is a conference publication. We can take a look at the PDF and see if research was conducted or how it was conducted. So this does look like a small-scale research project was conducted within a specific setting for awarding ratings to different students learning a skill. So it's possible that that might work, but it would have to take a little bit of a closer read. So whenever you find results in here, if you are looking more broadly, definitely pay attention to the content of the article. I'm going to limit now to journals and magazines and select Apply Refinements. So obviously I don't have a ton of options here, I just have two, but I'm going to take a look at the first one here. And I'm going to see some of the keywords that they have applied. These are the kind of search terms that will be more helpful for you if you are searching within the advanced search functions of both IEEE and INFSY. So I mentioned at the start that the advanced search functions were a little bit technical. This is partially why you really do need to use very specific language, and if you're just kind of doing a starting search, you probably have not yet thought about those specific index terms or subject terms that you may want to use. So it might be a good idea to take a look at these if there are some that really closely align with your research topic. Write them down, and then you can do an advanced search with them, or you can click on these and do a new search using those key terms as well. But I'm going to take a look at the PDF of this article now. So I see some literature review. I see a method section that they did a study on a few different applications. There's results. There's discussion. And there's references. So this looks like it could be a good place to start and read through. If you do want to move to that next level of searching within IEEE, that would be, again, to go back and look at some of these controlled indexing terms and subject terms and perhaps use the advanced search features within the database. You can email these articles to yourself, print them out, look at the citations and see if any of those might be useful for your project. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I'm happy to help.